Functional medicine is a science-based whole systems approach of addressing disease and dysfunction in individuals by going more upstream and looking at the root cause and the origin of what is actually causing that dysfunction. So this is in contrast to a lot of just the westernized allopathic approach to healthcare, which really addresses mostly the symptom. And so I like to use a comparison with migraine or headache, for instance. And so if you're a patient who has a migraine and you see a medical doctor, oftentimes they will give a prescription medication to help try to tackle the issue. And really what it does is address the symptom of the headache, and it really doesn't address the root cause of it. But if you see a functional medicine practitioner, again, they're going to go more upstream and try to figure out what is actually causing that. And so there can be a variety of lab work methods that can give more insights. Maybe it's a saliva test, a stool sample, a urinalysis, or a blood test. And we're going to figure out what's causing it at its source. And oftentimes it can be things like stress or dehydration or yeast burdens in the gut or heavy metal toxicities, or maybe it's a burdened liver from an inflammatory diet. And so these are all the things that need to be addressed to figure out what's actually causing the headache, the migraine, so that it doesn't come back. And what's beautiful about this is not only is the symptom resolved, but the whole inner workings of the physiology internally are recalibrated so that the recurrence rate is very, very low. So if you guys are interested in more information on functional medicine and how that can benefit you, I would encourage you to check out my website, drshamus.com. There is more information there. A lot of common conditions I work with include things like anxiety, ADD, ADHD, fibromyalgia, host of autoimmune conditions, gut issues, hormonal imbalances. And we are going to figure out what is actually causing these at the root cause and tackle it there so that we can revamp the inner workings of the body and the organ systems internally so that the recurrence rate is very, very low. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video on functional medicine and gained a little more insight as to what functional medicine is and what it can do for you.